Hello, what's up guys? How you doing? It's me, Lex, and you know how we do it on this channel is Lex Trade Profits, man. And I just want you to hit the subscribe button when I get down to this business. I just want to tell you guys something real quick about trading Forex, man. Forex trading is quite difficult, I have to say the truth. Many people don't tell you how difficult it is to make money on Forex just because they've gotten to this point where they're very, very comfortable. And what they do is that they use a strategy, and the strategy guides them so they make profits consistently, and you feel that it's so easy. But let me tell you one thing, nothing is not. Nothing in life is easy. Nothing in life is easy. I said nothing in life is easy. Do you know what footballers go through when they do the trainings? Do you know how much time it takes to build the skill before they get signed into a club? Do you know how many people actually try to enroll? Do you know how many people actually try to get a spot in the club? Now, just liken it, okay? Just compare it to trading Forex. Compare it to trading anything. Compare it to life itself. Do you know how many pregnant women actually go to the maternity home, sit there, wait for their water to break, try to give birth, and die in the process? Do you know how many kids actually lost their lives? Babies lost their lives just to get into this world, man. Nothing is easy. But let me tell you one thing, with the right strategy, with the right strategy and the right mindset, take off greed, take off impatience, watch your charts. Just keep watching your charts because the price action is where the money is. Forget every other strategy you know, man. The price action is where the money is. So let me just give you these tips about Forex. Let me tell you what I do. First off, I open my chart and I look. I try to see and know the all-time high for the day, the all-time low for the day. I'm talking about the price. What I mean all-time high, I mean the highest points, the highest price that the instrument has attained in the day. And sometimes I try to go back 1 week. I change to the 4 hour and I check how high the price actually went up on the chart. And then I switch in and check how low it goes. And now this helps me to determine what I call the resistance and the support. And with the resistance and support, you can know how you can go about your business. Second off, I get my journal and I write down these things. I write down the new support, the new resistance, and if I don't have a journal with me, what I do is to use the drawing tools. I get my lines and I draw the resistance and I draw the support, and I do this for the 1 minute time frame and the 5 minute time frame and the 15 minute time frame, the 30 minute time frame. You can just do this so you can help yourself. Now if you can't do this, there are indicators that actually, custom indicators that actually help you get those lines, those support and resistance lines. Now this guides you. You know what? Every strategy has its ways. Every strategy has its principles. So if you're using price action, you need to know that once the price gets to the resistance and it starts to consolidate, it is either it breaks the resistance and goes up trend so you can just keep buying, or it goes down. It's not breaking the resistance, it goes back down and retraces down to go hit the support. Now that is price action. So you see it goes like an M or W. Sometimes it goes like this, hits the resistance, it doesn't break, it consolidates and it goes down, hits the support. Sometimes it tests the support, it retraces back, hits the new resistance, and it forms an MW. That's how it is. MW, 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 and that's how the tracks goes. Now, it doesn't matter if you're trading volatilities, it doesn't matter if you're trading Forex, pairs, major pairs, minor pairs, cryptocurrency, boom and crash. It's all the same. You see, it goes like this. It just keeps going like that. So I just want to motivate you today. Each time you open your charts, you have to look for those lines, the resistance and the support, and that's going to guide you. And on to the next one. It's about your lot sizes. You have to have that discipline. Get into your mind. If you're trading with a small account, let's say the average small account you get in Nigeria, when they say small account, they mean $10. Now $10 is a really small account. If you could get 0.0001, no, you ain't gonna get it. For boom and crash, the minimum is 0.20. It used to be 0.1. So for every candle on the 1 minute time frame, it's 0.1. And you need at least 6 or 5, 6, 4, can't really remember right now, but $6 equity, free margin. Yes, you need $6 in your margin for you to trade 0.2. Yeah, get back. Come on. You know, I'm doing engineering right now, man. I'm an engineer. I'm an engineer, but I got those figures in my head right now. So you need 0.2 to trade. Follow the strategy as I give it to you. Let's say you go into boom and crash. Now with boom, the price just keeps falling. It keeps dropping. It ticks downwards. That's boom for you. It ticks downwards. And anytime in the series of 1,000 ticks, boom, it spikes up. It could spike up, and spike up, and spike up, but then it's still gonna go down. Now it's left for you to determine what's the resistance, what's the support, how much am I gonna put in this? I got just how much? Let's say I have, let's do something more realistic, $100, and I'm going in with 0.20 lot size, okay? So I'm going in on this time frame, 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, 4 hour time frame. It doesn't really matter what's your strategy. For me, what I do with a small account is, if I'm going to trade with the trend and not with the spikes and the drops, I'm just going to do something simple. I go in with my 0.2, determine all those things I have to determine, which I'm going to show you in my training. He ain't free, guys. He ain't free. It took me time for me to learn these things, and if I'm going to do anything, I'm moving. Most times after a spike, but there's a way I determine this thing because I got my own indicators set up, and I can actually trade with a blank chart. But this is the strategy. Listen, now before I give you that strategy, I just want you to go down, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and let's get on with this. Have you hit it? Come on. Are you there right now? Did you just hit the subscribe button? Come on, let me give you guys this. So you just go in. Let's say you want to trade on boom 1000 index. So you go in, you sell 0.20, and it starts to tick downwards. It starts to tick. As soon as you get the candle, you should know, of course, how many candles you want to get. On the 1 minute time frame, each candle gives you 0.20. That's 20 cents, man. 20 cents. So as soon as you get to 20 cents, it's either you ball out or you stick in. And if you're doing all you can do right, if you're following everything right, you could actually take as much as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. And each 5 candles gives you what? $1. Now I'm not going to advise you to just keep holding on and waiting for those 5 candles. I believe in collecting the little drops, man. The little drops matter. Every single cent matter in Forex. Do you know why? Because these brokers don't want you to win. These brokers don't want you to get that money. This broker is actually trading against you, and that's why they put this AI. You see, the boom and crash is a computer-generated sequence. So they want to trade against you. They want you to lose that money. So you have to be smart about this. Don't think that you can actually predict when the spike is going to happen or when the drop is going to happen. If you're going with the trend, you just have to do it the right way. And what's the right way, guys? Take one candle, two candles, get out of the market. One candle gives you 20 cents, two candles give you 40 cents, and what are you telling me? Do you know that if you do 20 trades in a day and you take 40 cents each, do you know how much you're gonna make? Can I calculate? Let's say $8. Now let's say you do 50 trades. 50 trades, 40 cents. Did I just hear? Oh, you got it right, man. I don't even know. I think it's about 40 cents times 50 trades. There's gonna be 2 over there, and it's gonna be like $20, I guess. But if I'm wrong, maybe it's $2. No, it's not $2. 20 cents, 40 cents is what I'm talking about, right? Now, I'm just trying to joke with you. I'm just trying to mess with your brain. I know you know your math is, because 20 cents over 5 trades, 500 trades will give you $1. Now, every 5 trades that you make and you take one candle, it gives you $1. So if you make 5 trades and then you make 10 trades, that's 2, and then you make 15 trades, that's what? 3. So let's say you now make how many trades? 50 trades, and then you get your $10 at the end of the day. But now I don't advise you to do that much. Stick to the plan. And what's the plan? The plan is consistency, and you have to just keep compounding your profits. Now guys, there must be losses along the way because price action is so funny and the AI can be so funny. You don't even know when it's gonna spike. But let me tell you something, depending on your account, do not risk more than 5% of your account. You don't want to get that margin call, man. You don't want to get stopped out. You don't want to see those reds, man. You don't want to be close, because without your money, without your equity, you end in a trade, man. Did you just hear me? Without some money in your account, without enough equity, you ain't trading. And if you ain't trading and you ain't got no money in your trading account, your broker account, what are you doing? Come on, go get some cement. Go build a house or something. Go catch a fish. Go swing. Go swim. Go do it like you in the Olympics. Because right here on Forex, your money is what makes you money. Money is a product, guys. It's all about the Benjamins. So did I just get this straight into your system? Now let me recap. Open your charts. You check for the highest and the lowest, the all-time high, the all-time low. You reference one day straight to 1 week, maybe even a month. Change the different time zones and time frames and see how the market is moving. Now determine the strategy you want to use. Are you going to go with the trend, or are you going to wait for the spikes and the drops that's against the trend? Okay, if that's what you're going to do, then okay, determine the lot size you're going to use based on your account balance, okay, your equity. And then you go into the market, it ticks, you take a candle, you take 2 candles, you close, you rest, you wait for it to consolidate, and actually, you just want to see how the market flows. You still feel that it's going to go down or it's going to go up, depending on whether you're doing crash, and boom, you just take another 2 candles. Sometimes you take 1 candle. And now let me tell you what I do. I don't like to trade down to the last minute. The last minute. That's why I had to use what I call a candle timer. So I like to trade within the minutes. Yes, spikes happen within the minute, but then it just gives me that cushion, okay? It just gives me that, I just have that mental kind of alarm. Yeah. Do I get that? Spider-Man, yeah, Spider-Man, yes, friendly neighborhood, man. So I just get that into my system and I just know that I'm gonna make some profits here and I'm gonna take it. If it's 20 cents, if it's 11 cents, if it's 1 cent, I take it. It's my money because why? I paid the spread. Now some of you don't even know that there's spread on this thing. Let me tell you something about spread. When you go into a trade, you go into this trade, immediately you see that you're in the negative. Now that's the spread. Now that's where these brokers get the money from too. But that's the topic for another day, man. Forex is difficult, but with the right strategy, it is really easy to make the Benjamins. I'm gonna make a withdrawal this morning. I'm not gonna post it on the Telegram group because most of you guys think I just show off. But then the money is real. I work IT. I'm an engineer. This is what 5:32 on Friday morning, and I'm here in my DC, and I got ACs everywhere, feeling fly, and I got my system in my office. I just came to do my rounds and to let you know that you can make money today. You can make money every day. You just got to keep it on repeat. $10 today, $20 tomorrow, $10 next tomorrow, $5 the other day. You just keep doing it as you can do it. Little. Before you know it, you were swimming in dollars. Woo! And one thing that you guys actually forget, always make sure you withdraw. Don't leave your money with the broker. Don't leave your money on MT5. This is what I do. If I'm trading with $100, as soon as I get to 120, 130, 140, I have this mental note that once it gets to 150, I'm going to withdraw the 50 and leave the 100. Sometimes what I do, I withdraw the 150 and leave it blank, let it be 0, 0. You know why? Because I got to get my capital back to where it came from. And when I'm ready to trade next time, I go in and deposit. And sometimes what I actually do is to divide my money. I leave some on the main platform on the web, and I transfer some back to MT5, and I trade, and I take some back there. This is just to help me know that I am saving money elsewhere. And I don't want to blow my account. I'm growing this account, but I don't want to blow my account, and that's how you make money on Forex. It's me, Lex, and if you haven't hit the subscribe button, tell me, what are you waiting for? I'm giving you just 2 minutes to hit the subscribe button right now. 2 minutes, guys. Yeah, it's me, MC, MLX. Is it 2 minutes already? Are you gonna hit the subscribe button? Are we gonna make money today? Yes, we're gonna make money today. Thanks for watching, and keep watching this channel. It's me, Lex, and we're gonna keep flexing, keep making that money, and goodbye. Hit the subscribe button, guys. You know how I do it. Let's trade profit. It's all about the Benjamins, man. Online money is the money for the people. Bless you.